Perhaps this Earthling video will help me fix the hyperflight on my new spaceship.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be exploring the theory of causality and how it relates to space travel and time. By definition, causality is the idea that if X causes Y, then changing X also changes what Y is likely to be. It's cause and effect. This basic principle applies to everything, but someone or something traveling at or near the speed of light would not perceive much, if any, time as having passed at all. Thus, they would not perceive causality. Now, backing up a bit, you need to understand how time works in terms of travel and speed. The basic principle is the faster you're going, the fewer ticks your clock registers. This doesn't mean time slows down, you still experience time as 1 second per second. The functions that cause your body to think and age and so on are performed at the quantum level by photons and other particles. When you're moving around here on Earth, those photons only have to move the small distance within your body, plus whatever other distance you may have covered. When you're traveling at the speed of light, however, those photons have to move the small distance in your body, plus the vast number of kilometers your body as a whole covered while traveling at the speed of light. Thus, if you compare your clock to one on Earth, much less time would have been. It's relative. Sound familiar? It should. We won't get into it now, but this is where Einstein's theory of relativity comes into play. Well, now that we understand how causality works when traveling under and at the speed of light, what about when you're going faster than the speed of light? Since nothing we know of has ever surpassed the speed of light, we don't know for sure. But some scientists postulate that time would flip and run backwards, breaking causality. Every cause would have an effect preceding it. Whoa, this makes the speed of light the speed limit of causality. If I were to smack the universe, the repercussions of that smack couldn't travel faster than the speed of light. To summarize, when traveling under the speed of light, cause always precedes effect. When traveling at or near the speed of light, you wouldn't perceive any time passing. Your clock would register no ticks. And when traveling past the speed of light, time would flip and run backwards. In conclusion, if you're ever planning on flying in hyperflight, I recommend having a really good program steering your starship.
Happy sciencing and keep seeking to learn.
I'm gonna try it anyway.